It was a positive experience for sure. The guys are really easygoing, very helpful. The young lady, Stephanie, with curriculum, she's also very helpful. And anything that I needed, I received right away.
The Fab Lab will provide our students the opportunity to be innovative through hands-on experimentation, allowing students to learn how to develop critical thinking skills and problem-solving skills by exploring building and creativity.
What we have here is called the Palmer Hamilton Phablab. It's essentially makerspace on steroids. It's a turnkey solution that includes furniture, the equipment, the machinery, the upfront training of the space, the ongoing professional development, the curriculum, as well as offering a certification for the students to get certified in using a piece of equipment here that the same manufacturers up the street are using. So essentially, it's an opportunity for students to get exposed to various career pathways. It's all project-based learning, and there's nothing else like it on the market.